This portion of the presentation will look at StoryKit, a free app from the iTunes Store. StoryKit was designed for the iPhone and iPod Touch and is also compatible with the iPad. The bookshelf is the main page and displays when the application is launched. The StoryKit installation includes 4 classic storybooks, and each one can be fully edited if desired. User-created books also display here. The number of pages in each book is indicated by the number in the circle. The StoryKit navigation and options are listed at the top of the screen, and here include an information option and an arrange button, which allows you to move the book images around or delete a saved story. To create a new storybook, press the New Book tile. When New Book is selected, this blank Edit page is displayed. Let's look at the icons at the bottom, which allow you to add content to this page. The first icon, which looks like a camera, lets you take a picture with your Apple mobile device and immediately insert it onto the page. Use the second icon to access and use existing images that are stored on your Apple device. Add and insert text with the third icon, and add sounds or a voice recording with the fourth. The last option lets you create freeform lines.
Okay, I'm going to show how easy it is to add page content on this iPod Touch. I'm going to start by adding an image. I'm going to click on the camera icon, go off screen for just a second, and take a picture. And as you can see, I've taken a picture of my mouse. In the lower left, I have the option to retake the picture if I don't like it. If I do like it, I click on the Use. That image is inserted into the page. I can move this image around. I can resize it if I want to. Next, we're going to add text by clicking on the A. Add the text you want. And click in the Edit, which adds that to the page. As with the image, you can move this text around and resize it if you want to. When you're done, you click on the Add in the upper right hand corner. That brings up the next page in the story, and you can repeat the process.
Stories are automatically saved and can be read and edited at any time. Completed stories can be shared using email. Click the Share button, ensure your Apple device is connected to the internet, and then click Start Sharing. The story is shared to StoryKit's website, and a page displays with a link embedded and a field to enter the email addresses to send to. It is recommended that the author includes their own email in case they need to forward the digital story link on again at a later time. This last image depicts an example of how a digital story appears when opened in email. Images, text, and freeform lines display, and if you click on the sound icon, you can hear what was recorded. StoryKit is a powerful and intuitive application and easily adapted to K-12 classroom curriculums. The basic features and navigation can be learned quickly, and a small digital storybook can be created in just a few minutes' time. By offering image, text, and sound content on pages, StoryKit is an assistive tool for students with learning, hearing, sight, or speech impairments. There are cost and convenient advantages in that this application runs on the iPad, iPhone, and iPod Touch devices. However, some features like the freeform lines and some of the editing tasks are much easier to perform on the iPad due to its larger touchscreen. Digital stories can be shared and viewed using email. It would be beneficial if story sharing to other social media was supported, though. Overall, this is a solid application for creating digital storybooks and one that is recommended for both instructors and students.